Hello guys, I show you how to verify Roblox. First, go to email.
Kasi kung tuguan siya pumunta dito, ako mismo pupunta dun sa bahay.
And wait.
And
click your email.
Hindi siya kilala masyado, pero hindi ako naniniwala hindi ako sangayon namang
and copy your email. Go to your Roblox. Go to your Roblox. Dot in the down. Click setting. Click account info. Wait loading, and you see I'm verified, and click this and log in your email, sample that, and change email. You change email and back. You send email in Gmail. You see verify. Click. You see verify. Please subscribe for next video to verify. I am verifying login. Email verification. Subscribe for more. Bye.